Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into how you can join the Monopoly Go Discord server. First, fire up Google Chrome browser. In the search bar, type in Monopoly Go on Discord. Then, hit that search button. At the top of your results, you'll spot a link tagged with Discord servers tagged with Monopoly Go. Click on it. Now, this page is your gateway. It lists all the Monopoly Go servers available on Discord. To join, all you need to do is click on Join this server. This action seamlessly transitions you over to your Discord app. Then, an Accept Invite prompt pops out. Click on it and voila! You're now a part of the Monopoly Go Discord community. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye!